magnetic thing. Flip. Oh god. Oh, it's proper stuck under the desk. I need something pokey. Try the chalk. Oh, it's dusty. Where is it? Shit. How's it gone? Oh no. Oh god, I've got chalk stuck under there now as well. Oh my god, I'm an absolute idiot. Oh fucking hell. Shit. Oh my god, this is just my fucking luck, isn't it? This is like almost as bad as AC's fridge, but he had a legendary idea to get him out. It's the chalk. Oh fucking hell, it's stuck underneath my desk leg. Fucking half of my sand is under my desk. There we go. I think I got it. I think I got it. Gotta be careful, not pushing back. Oh my god, this is an absolute fucking disaster. I'm terrible at things like this. I've got it on camera, which is funny. Oh shit, got it, yes! Yes! Oh, it's gonna be gritty. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Has anyone done that? I know AC has, under the fridge, but under my desk leg. Holy shit.